Before I show you how to hold your yarn and your hook, let's review how to do a slip knot. Wrap the yarn around your fingers. Take the loop off your fingers, holding the yarn where it crosses. Put the tail end through the hole, making a loop. Grab both ends of the yarn and pull the loop tight. Put your hook in the loop and pull to tighten. Now let's work on how to hold the yarn. Start by laying the yarn over your hands. Close your pinky and ring finger over the yarn to hold it in place. Wrap the end of the yarn around your index finger and then grab it with your middle finger and thumb. Let's try that again. Lay the yarn across your hand. Close your pinky and ring finger over the yarn to hold it in place and wrap the yarn around your index finger. Then grab it with your middle finger and thumb. And now you're all set to do a chain. So I'll see you in the next video.